A rather rare dealer accessory I've got my hands on here. Unfortunately, it's not correct for either of my cars. Well, red does have a 3.2 litre M104 980 that I built, but it's still not a 320e. The 320e badge was not used in all countries. It only existed for 10 months, from October 92 to July 93, and it was prior to the facelift and getting the E in front of the number. So, yeah, in Australia that was available, but I know in the USA they continued with the 300E badging until the facelift version was formally released. But yeah, it's a cool little thing to get my hands on in any case. It would be great to have a 300E24 plate, but yeah, I can't set up my own little pretend dealership without that.